You are cooking with Forrest Brown. It is Tuesday. Hi everyone, how are you guys doing? Thank you so much for being here. It is Tuesday, and you are cooking with Forrest Brown as always. It is my pleasure to introduce you some fabulous dishes from my home to yours. Think of me as your virtual chef, as your personal chef. For those who are new, thank you so much for being here. I post a new video every Tuesday, and today I have made absolutely nothing. So what do I have in mind for you? I don't know. I'm on my way to the store and it's a really cold, rainy day. I have some family coming. My mom's actually visiting me tomorrow and I'm very excited. I haven't seen her in a long time, especially with the pandemic and everything that went on. A lot of travel plans were canceled in the very beginning, and now I'm getting to see her for the holidays, for Christmas. So I haven't seen her in over a year. And right now I'm just off to do some errands and go to the grocery store and see what I'm gonna make. I don't know if I'm gonna make something or not. I do want to post something for all of you. If I do have time, I'll squeeze in a little something for you. And I'm very excited to share with you my personal life and my food, okay, my fascination for food. Well, I will see you guys next Tuesday for another show with me. Anyways, let's go, okay? Let's go. So I think this is gonna be it for today. I had no time to make a cooking video, and as you can see, the weather's pretty bad out there, and I'm not even halfway done through my errands, and I still gotta go to the grocery store and buy food for the week and etc. But I will see you guys next Tuesday for another show. You know, if you guys ever do have any type of questions regarding food or recipes, let me know. Send me a message. Don't be afraid to let me know, and I will be happy to answer your questions. My cooking videos is for you guys to learn, okay? To learn the basics of cooking. Recipes that are relatively non-complicated to make, that are easy, inexpensive, and quick, okay? Relatively quick to make. But I'm sure you guys have other types of recipes that you want to make. Just because I don't show you to them yet doesn't mean I can't answer your questions. So do not forget to ask me anything that you wish, okay? Regarding food. I'll be more than happy to help you guys out. Like I said before, I'm your personal chef. I'm your virtual chef. I'm your coach, your mentor when it comes to food. So don't hesitate, guys, okay? Please do not hesitate to ask. Enjoy the day, enjoy the night, wherever you're watching from. I do send my love next week, okay? Take care, everyone. Bye.
Number 2.